I also used to think that therapy is for the people who are going through something really, really bad, or something huge has happened to someone's life. But then slowly I realized that it's actually the best gift that you can give it to yourself. The first time I took therapy was in the year 2021, and I was so new to the entire concept of it that I got really overwhelmed and I did not continue the therapy. I was confused, I was overwhelmed, and I did not really understand that how and in which particular way it's gonna help me. But then in the year 2023-24, something really unexpected and sort of life-changing things happened with me, and I was completely shattered. I was so broken, and that's when I started therapy again. And trust me, the way it has helped me back then, I still seek therapy, and it's just so useful. So there is this perspective that therapy might solve everything. No, therapy isn't a particular tool that it's going to solve all your problems instantly. It basically helps you clear your head and shows you a path. The problems, the situations, whatever you have in your life, it needs to be dealt by you only. But when it comes to therapy, or when it comes to self-healing journeys, they basically help you clear your head so that now you can see the path clearly, and now you can understand that what steps needs to be taken so that you feel better and you feel good about yourself. When we talk about healing, it's a very slow as well as a very long process. It requires consistency, it requires all the efforts that needs to be taken continuously towards yourself, right? There might be certain days when you feel that everything is amazing again and everything is fine, but then suddenly again the jerk will come back, and you will be shattered again, and you might have to start from zero again. But as I said, it's a very long process, and the only thing that can help you with this is consistency. I'll tell you what helps me. So what helps me is to be consistent about a routine or a particular schedule that I have made for myself. No matter how bad I'm feeling, no matter how low I feel, I try to be consistent with all the things that makes me feel that I'm taking good care of myself. It includes waking up early in the morning, going to the work, eating healthy on most of the days, going to the gym or doing any physical workout, then expressing my thoughts through my content, writing journal, reading books, doing my skincare, all of those. So basically all the things that makes me feel that I am there for myself and I'm taking good care of myself. So when I do all of these small gestures, which has nothing to do with anybody, or which has nothing in constraint that I'm gonna get really amazing results after this. No, there is no motive. These are the gestures that I do for myself so that I can feel good about myself. And this is what self-love and self-healing journey looks like. And it's not necessary that something huge might have to happen in your life so that you start taking care of yourself. No. It might appear that everything is completely okay, everything seems fine, but still you might feel overwhelmed out of certain other things because you are not aware about all the things that might trouble you, because you don't talk to yourself, you don't listen to yourself, you don't listen to all the feelings that are approaching you towards yourself. So this might be a sign that you also start your healing journey, and be kind to yourself. The most amazing thing that has helped me is to be kinder to myself. When I don't feel good, I don't know whether someone's going to be there or not, but I have to be there for myself. I know that what will make me feel good, what my body requires at that time, what my mind requires at that time. So it's extremely important to be kind to yourself and be there for yourself. So don't worry, be kind and start your journey today. So that was me, Tanya, And this is my channel, Tanya Talks. If you like what I said, do not forget to hit that like button. And if you would like to see such content on your feed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.